You know.
What are your insecurities?
What are my insecurities? The fact that I don't look good.
We've handled that one. This
Okay.
is not terribly convincing, so we'll let that go there.
No, but I mean, in the sense, like in your teenage years. I mean, you know, when you
No,
when
those
you
are
obviously
insecurities then. I'm asking now.
my insecurities right now. I really have to think very hard
So
for
there
that.
can't be really that many then, no?
No,
If you're
not
researching.
now, but I've grown up now since then.
Okay, so when you grew up, what were you insecure?
Nothing really. I'm pretty confident that way. I really am. I'm not joking.
Not a single moment of doubt, not a single moment of insecurity, apart from this theory that you didn't look very good. Apart from that,
No, nothing really.
No?
I'm not basically insecure. At no point have I ever allowed any doubt of mine to become an insecurity.
okay, you handle it at
So,
the level of doubt.
Yeah, exactly.
Does that impact in your relationships?
Definitely.
Yeah?
I
In
feel
what
that
way?
it works more, and I feel that if you're honest about something, if you're honest about your doubts, or if you're honest about whatever you're feeling scared of, and if you face it head on, it tends to look much smaller, it tends to gain a perspective which is handleable, rather than becoming, you know, too big for you to handle.
The reputation you have is for being totally straightforward. You're saying it's not just being totally straightforward, it's a conscious decision
Yes.
that you're going to live life not hiding from things, confronting them straight out.
Definitely.
People see that sometimes as being bindas.
Bindas, as in that I don't take a lot of things seriously, no. I don't consider that in any way bindas. It's not like the word bindas usually implies a lack of seriousness for important things as well. And I don't think that I lack any kind of seriousness in all the things that
Crucial
are
things in
supposed,
life.
yeah, in all the crucial decisions in my life. I've always handled them with kind of, you know, I've taken my time over it. I've not done anything impulsively. So
Getting married, was that an impulsive decision or thought
not
out?
at all. I thought about it. I thought about it very carefully, and I thought about it for a long time before I actually accepted and decided that, okay, I was ready to get married.
Somebody who's so certain of her views as you clearly are as a person, who's not very insecure, was there a process of adjustment in marriage?
Definitely.
Like what?
For the simple fact that I think every time you move from one place to another, there is a certain adjustment that goes through it. And when you move in with different people, regardless of how nice they are or how nice you are or how adjustable
They have
you
their
are.
own way of doing things.
Yeah, they have their own. You have to get used to a rhythm, basically. You have to fall into that rhythm, and you have to adjust yourself to it. So I think that took me a little while to
How long?
a year at least.
There was a phase when the film magazines were full of stories about your marriage being on the rocks, etc. How did you respond to that?
I didn't really respond to it. I mean, Ajay and myself both never responded to it in any way because we didn't take it
Within each
seriously.
other, you didn't take it seriously?
We just didn't take
Did
it
it cause you
seriously.
tension? Did it upset you?
No, we didn't take it seriously. I think what caused us tension and what upset us more was the fact that people close to us were believing it. I mean, somebody who was really close to us, very close relative of ours, came up to meet me at the house to just see whether I was actually living there.